Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope all of you are in good condition so we can learn together with enthusiastic and happily. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to learn about the topic about communicative language teaching or CLT. If you learn speaking, if you want to be able to speak up, we can learn by using this approach. So, in this topic, we have some learning objective. The students are able to explain the basic concept and principle of communicative language teaching. Then the students are able to explain the ability of communicative language teaching. And then the last one, the students are able to demonstrate the learning activities in the classroom by using communicative language teaching. In this topic, we have some subtopic. The first is definition and concept. We have characteristic, models, advantages and disadvantages. Now go on the definition. Communicative language teaching is an approach that aims to achieve communicative rather than linguistic competence through learner interaction. Through this definition, we can concentrate and focus on communicative, and then the way is through the learner interaction. The next, CLT is also an approach to teach foreign or second language which emphasizes on communicative competence. The strategy to language teaching is based on the philosophy that in order to learn the language, one must practice using that language to communicate means to others. So the focus here, we practice that language to communicate meaning with others. The next one, characteristic of CLT. The first, make learners attain communicative competence. So as the definition before, the focus here is communicative competence, and then the major focus while using the CLT approach is on the learners. So the role of teacher here is only as the facilitator. It is also called as student-centered learning. And then the teacher manage the environment and help the learner become autonomous. So as the facilitator, the teacher helps students to prepare the environment so the student can learn independently by themselves. The next characteristic of CLT, the syllabus emphasizes the functional use of language. So the practice here, we will focus on the functional expression which is used daily expression, like with our friends, with our teacher, and etc. And then communicative activities also enable the learners to attain communicative objective of the curriculum. Engage learners in communication and communicative process as the use of negotiation, sharing of meaning and interaction. Now, how to apply this CLT? There are some models of classroom activities we can apply in this CLT approach. The first one is role play. You know, in role play, someone should act as someone and then they will have a direct direction. There is an interview, of course, there will be interaction between interviewee and the interviewer. Group work, information gap, opinion sharing, and also scavenger unit month is also some models of communicative language teaching. Now go on the advantages of CLT. The first, focus on speaking skill. So in this approach, as we discussed before, focus on communicative, so this is only focus on speaking skill. And then the enhancement of active communication skill, of course, because in the activities we will have direct interaction, and of course it will make student more enjoyable learning. How about the disadvantage? There are two disadvantages here. The first is difficulty in measuring progress, and then need for strong lesson planning. So before applying this approach, we should prepare everything well for the progress of the students and also for the planning. What are the activities we will apply in this CLT? Ladies and gentlemen, now don't forget, we go on. The next session is exercises. Please do the exercises, answer some question to measure the understanding of CLT concept and principle. And then the last one, you should apply the approach in the real teaching learning process of a classroom. Are you ready? Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all today. This is the references of the topic we have discussed today. I think that's all. Let's close our class today by reciting Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.